Okay, Miss Neville Science students, this is part 2 of our Annotating a Text how-to video. And this part is really geared towards us looking at what you are going to be required to do today for your graded assignment. Just a reminder, you want to make sure that you've completed obtaining resources for energy, checking for understanding, and you should be working to complete the first attempt for identifying characteristics of organisms, the checkup. I've already completed grading that first attempt for my first period, and it's about 11:59 now. And so before first period begins at 12:28, Miss Neville will be grading that first attempt for her second period as well. So what you're going to be working on today, the graded assignment that's going to be a big grade for you today, is going to be working on annotating an article. So I've not shared it yet. It won't be shared until after your live session with me. So with annotating an article, let's look at what you're going to be told to do. Now, in the last video, you had to create your own key. But as I said, you won't have to do that here because Ms. Neville's going to tell you what colors to use. So when you're annotating this text, you're going to be annotating the text on the American bison. Ms. Neville's going to tell you you're going to be highlighting on this page in 2 different colors. If anything you read in red that has to do with how bison reproduce, anything that's talking about the babies or anything like that, you're going to highlight in red, okay? Anything that is talking about the growth and development of bison, it could be more than one place, you're going to highlight in blue. I'm going to show you how to change your marker colors. So when you go to highlight, if you want to highlight in red, it's already selected for you. But when you want to change it to blue, you'll click blue. So let's say I accidentally make a stray mark on my paper and I don't know what to do. I can click undo here, and I click undo as many times as I need to. And let's say I messed up the whole thing. I want to start all over. I've highlighted, I've highlighted here and here, and oh my goodness. I just click clear and it takes away everything. After you've highlighted what you want to highlight, this is a teacher graded assignment, so you won't see your grade immediately, okay? You won't see your grade for this. Your first attempt you'll see on Thursday morning so that you can be ready for tutoring. But by Friday is when this big assignment is going to be due. So once you're done highlighting here, you're going to click number 2. It's automatically saved, okay? You don't have to do anything. Click save or anything. And you're going to go, and now Miss Neville's telling you in the color yellow, you want to highlight how an aardvark obtains resources for energy. So I'm going to change my marker color to yellow, and I'm going to find the example of an aardvark eating, drinking, or breathing, okay? Once again, this is teacher graded. After you've highlighted, I'm just going to highlight something random. That's not the answer. I just highlighted something random. When I say highlight, you want to underline it, okay? And then I'm going to go on to number 3, and I'm going to change my marker color to green because Ms. Neville's telling me there are 3 main examples of how a bat responds to a stimulus. I need you to use the green to highlight 1 of those examples. So you're not going to get extra credit if you highlight all 3. I just want you to find 1. Now, if you find all 3 and you want to show me all 3 of them, highlight all 3 of them, okay? Just in case one of them's wrong, you'll still get credit for it. So if I want to go back and I want to check my answers here, I'm just highlighting random stuff, y'all. That's not the answer. I can go right back and see my work, okay? After I'm done, I'm going to click next, review, okay? You can review your answers there. And then you would click finish. I hope this helps you. We're going to go over this again in our live session today. I can't wait to see everyone. See first period at 12:28 and second period at 1:06. Bye-bye.